Hello and good morning. Today is the 29th of September 2021. I am your host, Maurice Rothwell, International Trading Coach here at TradersClub24 in Hamburg, and we are logged in for the morning market opening trade in the DAX. So as we go on, switch over the screen, here we have the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, and those of you who are keeping up to date with the morning opening trades in the corner here, we have our Traders Club SwissBox trading tool. Very simple. Here this is where we're going to monitor and execute all of our trades. If I click the box lines on, we're going to get two lines appear in the chart, a red line and a green line. These represent two pending orders, the red line being a sell stop and the green line being a buy stop. In the middle, we see 12.5. That is 12.5 points of range between the two pending order lines. And ultimately what we want to do is we want to trap the market within that range before any expected breakout. Hence the morning market opening trade, as we're trading a lot of index markets here, and usually around the European Open or the US market open is where we're going to see the most volatility for the day. So simple as, if I click on this one, this is what we're going to call a SwissBox trade today. Once I've placed my trap range into the chart, simply I just need to go over here and click entry on. Once I've clicked entry on, it's just us waiting for the market to move within this trap range. Once it does that, we've then trapped the market. The two pending orders are set, and depending on which way the market will move is dependent on the direction that we're going to be trading. So for those of you that don't understand, ultimately when we're trading with the SwissBox, we don't need to know which direction the market is going. It is irrelevant to us. And here is the market opening just now, as you can probably tell, but with the volatility coming through. So as you can see, we've gone into the box, we came out, triggered the first trade, we've now triggered into the second trade, and the blue line is our take profit. So this is where the SwissBox comes into play, as we're going to be triggering trades in both directions, depending on which way the market is going to have its breakout. So if the market goes up, it's going to go past the green line and trigger a buy trade. If it comes back down, it's going to go past the red line and trigger a sell. And ultimately, it's just going to continue to do this until we catch that market opening, the market movement, and catch that breakout. What's very important when we're using the SwissBox is that we're finding the most volatile times of day to trade, as it's not important in which direction the market is going, but it's very important that the market goes in a direction. What we try to avoid here is a sideways moving market, a flatline market, as that would not be good for us trading with the SwissBox. So as you can see here, trade number 3 has been triggered. If we come over here, I think there's a trade open from earlier in the FTSE. So the FTSE's actually come in, and we're coming very close to our take profit line. So we set up our market opening trades here every day using this orange box. This orange box is actually part of our template, the open range breakout DAX. And as you can see, we've got purple lines in the chart. These are our big numbers. We consider them to be pivot points in the market price. There's also a daily pivot. We've got retracement Fibonacci's and supporting Fibonacci's. And here we have our open range box. Now the open range box, this orange box, will be a different size every day. So yesterday we can see, yesterday's isn't there, but here we can see from Monday it was a lot smaller than the one from today, and then we get a different one every day, different areas in the charts and different sizes depending on the open range of that day. So this is here to help us actually figure out what is the open range, how much volatility is in the market, and where should I be placing my first trade of the day. So as we come down here, coming very close to the take profit line once again. And when we catch these open range boxes, and it's around the same size as our normal trap range. So for an example, my trap range is 12.5. If I find a box that's 12 or 15 or somewhere in between, I would actually then extend or shorten my trap range due to the size of that open range for the day. And then we would simply just overlap it. And usually what we're going to see is directly at 9 o'clock, a breakout from that range, and we're going to be trading the market in that direction. So there was the close on our FTSE trade just there. So the market has shot up, hit our blue line, and hit the take profit. So we're still waiting for our DAX market to make its move. We've come very close to our take profit twice now. And let's see if we're going to come down for another. So as soon as the market surpasses this blue line, it's going to take us out in profit, our predetermined profit here in the target percentage. And there it goes, closed. So that is our market opening trade for the day. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to test these tools out for yourself, please don't hesitate and visit the website www.TradersClub24.com. Sign up for a 30-day free trial with your email address, name, and number. Someone will be in contact with you shortly after. Failing that, there is WhatsApp and Skype available from the website for you to chat to us anytime. It's not a problem. Okay, so thank you very much, and until next time.